Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make what I think is my last piece of decor for Valentine's. It's just around the corner, but I came up with the idea of this frame and I thought, why not? Anyway, I will use it next year again, so it's never too late. We found this frame in the dumpster at Michael's. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. It's going to be linked in the description box. So if you wanna see us diving inside the dumpsters and saving treasures, pay a visit. Well, the frame didn't have the glass. The natural color, the original color was this one, but I wanted it to have a darker tone, so I stained it with my favorite stain, which is the liquid shoe polish. This is amazing when you have to stain something, because it's really easy, really inexpensive, and very clean. You don't have to make a mess and then use a paper towel or something to remove the excess. It's really quick, as you can see. You can see the difference. And if you want a darker tone, you just wait for it to dry and give it another coat. Well, for the background I use a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree, but from the dumpster. So I painted it gray. I painted it without much care because I wanted the lines of the brush to be seen because they mimic wood. Then I added these lines with a regular pencil, and just with my finger I smooth them a little bit for them to look more like the union between pieces of wood. You see marks here, is because I'm going to place, of course, some stuff on this back of the frame. So first things first, I'm going to glue the foam to the frame. I'm going to adjust a bit of hot glue. Of course, I need more sticks. Like so. I don't want the glue to be seen from the front, so I'm being careful. I think it is already dry. That's the problem with hot glue. It dries so quickly sometimes that you don't have time, when it is a large piece, to add all what you need. But this is going to work. I can reinforce it later. Anyway, I'm going to reinforce it now also. So let's do this quickly. When you paint foam board, it tends to arc, I don't know how to say, arch, to bend, and so I'm trying to press it to make it flat again. And I'm going to add more hot glue here, just to be safe and sure that this is completely glued. Well, I'll do the rest later, not to have you waiting for an hour looking at me just spreading hot glue. So let's turn it this way and let's finish the project. The first thing I'm going to add are these arrows. They are from a garland that I bought at Target many years ago. It has some cards here. I'm using them for another project. And it comes with arrows and the letters XO, 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 XO. So I'm going to use the arrows first. So I'm going to add hot glue a little bit on the top and a little bit in the middle also. And let's see. Yes, I like them there. I was going to cut the thread that is attaching one to the other, but I thought that it looks cute with the loop. If then I decide I don't like it, I can always cut it later, but for now it's going to stay. This is going to be placed on the other corner, like so, and then the middle one, if I can pick it up, as I always say, is not collaborating. Okay, so let's do this. Yes. The other detail I'm going to add is I bought at Dollar Tree one of their Valentine's chocolates or candies tin cans, and I spray painted it white. You can still read it, but I'm going to apply something on top of this so it's not going to be visible. I'm going to use this for other project. For this one I'm going to use just the lid, and I'm going to try to add it, but I don't want the glue to show, so I'm going to adjust a little bit here and there. I'm thinking right now, I must have thought about that before, that I may add some foam, you know, those foam squares or rectangles that are self-adhesive that you can find at Dollar Tree, and I can place them here, one on top of the other till I reach the whole height of the lid, and that would work better. But for now let's do this, and I think it's going to work. Okay. On top I'm using also from Dollar Tree one of these felt hearts. They come, I don't know, I think it's 10 in a bag. So I'm going to add one here. What would it be from us crafters without the hot glue? Our lives would be so miserable. And then this is a heart that we also found in the dumpster. I think it was at Michael's. Yes, it's from Michael's because of the brand. And I painted it white, and with a pencil, which is also, by the way, from the dumpster, I have forgotten. I distressed the border a little bit, just like this. And then I wrote the word love, pressing a little bit more for the color to be more bold. And I'm going to place this heart in the center of the felt heart. I painted it with regular acrylic, nothing fancy. So, the last thing I'm going to add to complete this frame are these letters. And I made marks, so I'm going to start by the X. That is going to be placed where this mark is, covering the mark, of course. Again, I decided not to cut the thread because I think it looks cute. It gives the the whole thing some character. I laugh because I always hear when something is not exactly as it should be, I always hear they say, it gives it character. So now I'm going to add the other X, which is going to be lower than the O. Where this mark is. Uh-oh, I think I miscalculated it. Yep, no problem. Yeah, it looks good anyways. And now the last O is going to go over there. And we are almost done. Now it's matter to leave it for a little while to settle, and voila, we have a nice sign for Valentine's. Very quick, very simple, and that's it. Well, here you have it. As you can see, I added a little bow on top of the heart, the white heart. This video is entered in the Sticky Tuesday challenge hosted by Deco and Kiki's DIYs. The link to their channels is going to be in the description box, as well as a link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge. Please pay a visit to the hostess' channels and watch the videos in the playlist. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.